In this video, we'll explore the alarm and monitoring features that help administrators keep track of system resources and ensure smooth operations. To get started, the Kron PAM administrator navigates to the Alarms menu and selects the Alarm Configuration submenu. In this menu, administrators can set alarm thresholds for various system resources and licenses. These thresholds act as triggers to alert the system admin when resource or license usage reaches critical levels. Additionally, email notifications can be configured for each alarm. To fully activate alarm features such as creating or deleting alarms, the relevant jobs must be enabled. In this example, we will configure and enable the Alarm Create and Alarm Delete jobs to run every minute. The jobs run automatically at the set interval. The jobs can be triggered manually as well. After setting up the jobs, system administrators can easily monitor active alarms by navigating to the Alarms submenu. Now, let's look at the Monitoring menu. In this section, system administrators can check the current usage status of system resources being managed by Kron PAM. This menu also provides insights into the status of essential services, ensuring administrators have a clear and comprehensive view of the system's operational health.